Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, first of all, thank you everyone for all your likes, your wishes, and all your encouraging messages, feedbacks which I'm getting regularly. It gives me a lot of motivation to continue and keep going on. And in case if at all you feel any support required from my side or any additional services required from my side, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095 and also I have provided the link to join Upstock and Angel Broking. In case if you want to join my premium ETF channel, you can always open your account with these two accounts with these two brokers and then just let me know. Okay friends, so coming back to today's video, friends, as I have mentioned in the subject, I felt a very big need, a very important need to update you about this present situation which we are all undergoing, because you can see regularly that the market is moving hugely and mostly it is moving towards downside. It is having a bearish signal. You all know that because of the corona virus incident which is going on, there are lots of imports which have been stopped, lots of exports which have been stopped, lots of businesses are undergoing losses, most of businesses, they are shutting down, most of them are, the turnovers are reducing. So you can see there's a lot of panic going on in the market. Many investors who have invested usually in these big companies are withdrawing their funds, and because of which our retailers or investors, also those who invested in Nifty and all those things, are getting panicked and they are coming out of Nifty, and many much such things are happening in stock market. And then many of my subscribers or many of my friends who are in touch with me on WhatsApp are continuously asking me, sir, what to do, how to face this kind of situation. So I felt that this video is very important, because I'll be telling you few steps what we have to do to be safe during this particular period, and how we can pass this particular bad phase. We can't say a bad phase because there are many who are making use of this opportunity and making good money. Because you saw yesterday also in our Tata Motors, we made huge money. The market fell down, Tata Motors crashed, and then everybody made a lot of money. Yes, so we can make money when the market crashes also, but the point here is not about intraday trading. I'm talking about investment. If at all you have invested, and if at all you are having a long term investments in any of the stocks or any of the Nifty, in Nifty or Bank Nifty, anything of that sort. Okay friends, so first and foremost thing which I want to tell you is, this phase is temporary. Please bring this into your mind. If at all you bring this into your mind, then you will not get panicked. Okay, why I'm saying this phase is temporary? Because if at all you observe the big crash which happened in 2000 or might be in 2008, just look into Nifty's graph from the beginning to the end, and then just look into the graph. You can see that even the biggest crash looks very tiny in the graph. What it means that these all phases are temporary. We don't have to get panicked. If at all your plan is long term, then just stay invested. You don't have to worry. That is point number one. Point number two is, make sure you do or you take insurance. Now, how do you take insurance? For people those who don't know much about options, I would say simple thing: buy a put option. Very simple. Buy a put option. Say for example, you have Reliance Industries or any of thing that stock, and make sure that you buy put options of Reliance for the equal share. For say for example, one lot of Reliance, say for example, is 500 shares, then you have to make sure that you are having 500 stocks of Reliance in your account, so that you can buy one lot of put options of Reliance put, and make sure to take it at the money, or worst case out of the money. That is enough sufficient, and then you can be rest assured, or you can be safe. You can be safe about your investment. It's almost like, say for example, you have a car. It's very costly, and you always keep getting worried whether if anybody comes and bangs you, or if there's a maintenance cost and all those kinds of bombs which are coming to you. And in order to keep yourself relaxed, what do you do is, at the most, you invest on insurance. You pay 40,000-50,000 rupees for a good car insurance, and then after that you're rest assured. Anything happens, your money is safe, your car is safe, you get it repaired without any cost. So same concept you'll be implementing here. Yes, I agree, you have to pay some money for the premium, for that is nothing but for buying the put options, but your money is safe during this bad phase. Okay, this is point number one. And people those who have little more knowledge of options, who have little more experience in option, then best thing is covered calls. Friends, it is one among the best strategy, or the best method of trading. Friends, I realized it almost 2-3 years back, and then after that I have never even worried about my investments. In fact, my investments have kept on growing after implementing covered calls, because you all know majorly I invest in Nifty, and whenever Nifty goes down, I get more money in my covered calls, and then I keep buying, I keep adding on into my investments. By this, when Nifty grows up, then again my investment also grows up. Friends, by implementing covered calls, what happens is if Nifty comes down or if a stock comes down, you'll be making money in that call options. And in case if a Nifty is stagnant, if it is range bound, if your stock is range bound, then also you will be making money. And in case if your Nifty or your investment is going up, then you might lose out on your profits. But then what do? Is I do the adjustments which many of you are aware of and which many of you are learning from me. So try to implement covered calls to get returns as well as to be safe in this kind of volatile market conditions. And if at all you are new to trading, then I would recommend this is not the correct time for trading. So keep pause yourself and don't trade for some time. Just observe the market. If at all you want to do, you can do paper trading. That's it. Nothing else during this bad phase. Friends, by saying this, every phase is temporary. If there is a down, there is also going to be an up. So as I've told you, whenever there is loss or whenever there is market is going down, we have to get excited. We have to be happy. Reason because very soon the market is going to climb the ladder, and then you'll be able to make lots and lots of profit. Hope you got something very valuable in this particular video. So in case if you feel there is any more doubts or any confusion related to your investments or how to implement these kind of strategies, you can always WhatsApp on my number. You know my number. It's 8095 876525. Friends, thank you and have a nice day.